What's up, my YT homies? This is Alifia coming in at you with another video. And this is my second time making this video. I'm gonna let y'all know this is my second time making this video, and this video is a small haul from Juvia's Place. So if you're interested in seeing what I got from Juvia's Place, then please continue to watch. All right, so a few weeks ago, I don't know, maybe about 2-3 weeks ago, something like that, I'm kind of late with this video, like I said, because I recorded this video before, but it didn't turn out like I wanted it to turn out. So I trashed the whole thing. So now I am here to record this video. I had no plans of ordering from Juvia's Place at the time. I was going to wait to see what their Black Friday sale looked like. But Creative Lady, Napalicious TV, Creative Lady, I'm not sure which channel she showed it on. I think she showed it on Napalicious TV. But anyway, she showed that she had a haul from Juvia's Place. So I'm like, okay, let me check this out. Let me see what's going on. And baby, I caught in on that sale before the sale ended. As a matter of fact, if I have it, as a matter of fact, here is my receipt and everything from Juvia's Place. Here you can, you know what, you're not even gonna be able to see this in this video. But anyway, the first two things that I did get are the I Am Magic flat top foundation brushes. Okay, so I think these brushes are regular $13.50 on Juvia's site, but I got them for $7 each because for two brushes I paid $14. And here's what the brushes look like. Now, I like I said, I recorded the video. I had not used the brushes, but then I recorded the video and I used my brush, and then I saw the video quality and it was like, eh. So anyway, this brush has not even been cleaned, but this is the newest brush. So as you can see, the difference between with it being used and with it not being used. Tell me why my child just called me because she's looking at her grade on Infinite Campus as she's walking to the bus and calls me about her grade, knows I'm recording. Like, how rude. Anyway, so here's the used brush, and here's the used brush, and here's the one that's clean. Yeah, I'm showing y'all a dirty brush. But anyway, this brush, now let me tell you, one of the things I can say, this brush right here, and I'm gonna make a quick comparison, has nothing to do with the video, but this is the brush from NYX, from NYX, and this is the brush from Juvia's Place. This is by far my favorite foundation brush, and this is the brush I pretty much use every day. And then I use this brush. So they're like right there neck and neck. But the difference between this brush right here, I don't know what it does, what it is. It just, I don't know. There's something different about this brush versus this brush. This one is still my favorite, but this one is still an awesome brush, and I really do like it. So I'm going to definitely keep, I think I may even get another one because I have 3 of these and I may get a 3rd of that one. And the reason why I like to have different foundation brushes because I don't like to use the same foundation brush each day. And I wear makeup pretty much 5, sometimes 6 days a week. It's my face. I clean it. I do what I want to do. If you don't like it, that's on you. Don't put makeup on your face. So with that being said, you know, I may get a couple more because I'm sure she's gonna have Black Friday sale and what have you. And let me just add this little side note in. The shipping was super duper quick. Some people have had issues in the past with Juvia's shipping, and I too myself felt like Juvia was taking a long time, but as Napalicious TV said, she even showed in one of her videos how the postal service was taking a long time with the package. So sometimes it may not even be the company's fault, it could be the delivery service's fault, and you'll find that out in another video that I have. But anyway, so with that being said, these are the 3 palettes I got. Okay, so I got the Zulu. I already have this palette, and I'm going to tell you why I got this one. I have the Festival by Juvia, and then I have Afrique by Juvia. So a couple of these come from like a collection, but the Zulu palette, the reason I got the Zulu palette and I already have the Zulu palette is because my mom was over here one day playing into my things, all up in my makeup, like she doesn't have anything better to do, and she said, I want one of the palettes with the African ladies on there. So I ordered this one from her. I don't know which one she wanted, but this is the one I ordered, and this is the one she's going to get. And for those of you that have never seen this palette, this is what it looks like. Now, this palette does not have a mirror in it. It's just the art is just 1 lady on here versus 3 on the front, but this is what the palette actually looks like. It's one of my favorite palettes. I really do like it. I like all of my Juvia's Place palettes. I'm not even gonna lie, I do. I have not been disappointed with any of their palettes. So here's this palette. Next one is the Festival palette, and this art just has a lady and a man on there, and I have dug into this one a little bit and used this one, but this is what the Festival palette looks like. So, and here's the other one, which is the Afrique palette, and I really do like this one. I like all of them. This one has smaller pans than the other ones, but this is what this one looks like, and I really cannot wait to use that blue and that green and this one right here called Togo. I can't wait to use these colors. I have used this palette. I've used this color, I've used this color, and I kind of swatched this one, but I haven't used it, so I can't wait to use these. And then there are two other things I purchased, and one of them comes from the Festival collection and the other one coincides with the Afrique. So these two coincide with the palettes that I have. So this one, like I said, is from the Afro collection. Is it the Afrique? No, this one comes from the Festival, and this one I think comes from the Afrique. But anyway, so yeah, so this one is called Doo Doo, and it is a black lippy, and I don't wear black lippies, so what would make me get a black lippy, I'm not sure. But this lippy was only $5, and I think what made me get it was the fact that I could use it up under another lippy to give a different effect, not to give that black liner around the lip effect. No, I'm not with that. That is so 80s. I did that in my younger day when I first was wearing lipstick, because for the longest time all I wore is lipstick and eyeliner. I think until my 30s that's kind of pretty much what I wore, and I tried to dabble with foundation, but I never really cared about foundation or mascara or eyeshadow, but I love it now. But anyway, this is what Doo Doo looks like. And then the other one is called Afrique, and this is a pretty red, and I really do like this red. I'm not even gonna lie, I have worn this and I just put it back in the box for effects. But this is what this one looks like. Like I said, it's a pretty red. I am loving that color. I love it. I've worn it twice now, and now I don't have to put it back in the box anymore since I've shown it to you all. Y'all know how we do. We put the stuff back in for effects. So let me get this off of my hand before it dries down. Okay, so yeah, that is it for this video. I do have some other things that I want to get from the Juvia's Place collection, because I am not finished with the collection as far as the eyeshadow palettes. Now when it comes to the other things, I don't have to have everything, but when it comes to the palettes, I do want all of their palettes. Yes, I'm trying to be a minimalist when it comes to certain things. For instance, foundations. I'm trying not to have foundations that I'm not going to use. But when it comes to eyeshadows, I'm not trying to be a minimalist on that. I'm trying to get any eyeshadow packet, color, whatever that I want. And as long as there's blood running through my veins, I am going to get what I want to get. And if I wear it, I wear it. I don't, I don't. And as a matter of fact, I just got rid of a lot of things. I've changed my room. I've shared some things. I still have some other things that I have to share. But yeah, this is just my thing. I love makeup. There are a lot of things that someone could be doing that could be a whole lot worse than makeup. So, you know, I say that because there are a lot of people that are so judgmental, and it's like, keep your judgmental opinions to yourself. They're yours, and it's okay to have them, but you can't, you know, put your things, your thoughts, your beliefs or whatever on other people. You know what I mean? So anyway, with that being said, that is going to end this video. I appreciate all my new subscribers. I know some of y'all come for hair videos, you know, the lock, the sister locks and all that kind of stuff, and I do appreciate that, but please stick around to watch some of my other videos. I mean, yeah, it's still me. Come listen to me talk. So anyway, with that being said, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and hit that bell for bell notifications. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it. So until the next time, and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.